I'm going to do this in English, because this is kind of breaking news. So I have asked, let me just go back to the post. I have asked Leon at Leon Schwab, we need answers now. It was your department. No? So Sherwin Bryce Pease asked for a clarity from the SI authorities why they raided the USCIS facility. And yes, I have asked, I've tagged Leon Schreiber in here, and I asked him to give us answers. And this is what someone else told me. Now look here. Kenyan staffers working for Church World Service have traveled to South Africa in recent weeks to the sites where prospective Afrikaner refugees being interviewed and prepared for a settlement in the United States despite not having visas to do the job. Excuse me? These people are diplomats. They are on diplomatic visas here. So the ANC is using this as an excuse to raid all the refugee settlements. This is a direct threat to us aspiring refugee applicants applying for refugee status in America because they want to get their hands on the, what do you call it, the register, the refugees register. I don't know why, but this is a threat. This is a threat. This is the excuse the ANC is using to raid these sites. So, guys, please, if you are applying, do not share that you have applied. Do not share your timelines of when you applied or when you're going to go for the interviews. But then, in another case, the fact that in one of Colonel Chris White's interviews, he stated that the people, there were some people that were happy to give the information to these um people in the uniforms. So it was an absolute cover up. So what the heck is going on? Were they being paid by Home Affairs, Leon Schreiber, to give out the information about these events? I don't know. Any guys. But this is the excuse, which is absolutely fake news. Fake news and the excuse for the ANC to get their hands on the register of the refugees. Thanks for watching.